Knight of Wands. In positive aspect, this card for today tells you that you have great desire, great energy, big energy inside of you, big passion, and you really want to do something. You want to conquer new heights. You want to do everything for one moment, because you have some really big energy inside of you, and you're afraid that this big energy can blow up inside of you, and you need to apply this energy to something. And in positive moments, yes, you can apply this energy to different things. You can begin something new, or maybe you can, for example, continue something, and with new positive energy. But in in negative moments, these cards can tell you for today that you can make a real mess of things, and your big energy can spoil everything what was around you in balance, and you for today can be like a balance breacher. And anyway, in negative, you need understand that your unbridled temperament can lead you to wrong way, for example, to stalemate, and maybe for today it's better a little bit maybe stop before doing something, and not follow your big energy, and try to calm down.